Hi everyone, I'm Chef Larry, and today we're gonna talk about cast iron versus carbon steel pans. Both of these pans are made from carbon and iron, but they handle and perform differently. Carbon steel is lighter and heats up relatively quickly, while cast iron is heavier and retains heat like a champ. While both these pans are great for searing off any products, if we're gonna talk about heat retention, I'm gonna go with the cast iron. The cast iron, the gauge of the metal is a lot thicker, which is gonna allow it to hold onto that heat a lot longer. So when I remove this from the stovetop and transferring it to the oven, I'm not gonna lose the high temperature that I have gained, maintaining the cooking process the way it is. If I wanna control the temperature a little bit better, I'm gonna go with the carbon steel because the moment I take it off the heat, it's gonna lower in temperature and I can control how hot I can get it or how cool I can get it to cool down quickly. If we're looking to control temperature, the cast iron is the way to go. If we're looking to control time, the carbon steel is your best bet. Now that we covered heat retention, we're gonna shift our focus to surface structure. As you can see, the structure of the pans are different. The smoother edges allow for easier flipping with carbon steel. Back to the cast iron, that straight up sharp point on the side doesn't allow for a flipping process. You would have to use a utensil. Cast iron and carbon steel are both naturally non-stick surfaces when seasoned properly, but the shape and size of the carbon steel allows you to move through a shorter environment a little bit more efficiently. The only drawback to the cast iron is the surface is a little rougher, making food particles more likely to stay. Both pans provide a lot of versatility in the kitchen, and time and temperature is our focus. At the end of the day, the pan you choose depends on what you need to do.